Hey everyone, it's wheelcollectors.com. Hoping that you're having a great week. It's the middle of the week. And we got in a new monster trucks case, and the response from the previous cases was pretty good. So, this case is nice. So I'm gonna do a case opening for you guys. Again, 8 cars per case. Super shiny bubbles on the monster trucks. Here's a top-down view. And we're just going to go one by one and do a case review of the F case. Okay, the first one here says Chum, get it. It's interesting. It's like a food delivery truck with fish on it. Obviously fish chum. I kind of like this car. That's the first monster truck. The second one is one of the most popular Mario characters. Super Mario characters. Bowser. Always got to defeat the Bowser, don't you? There's the Bowser monster truck. Oh, here we go again. It's another bad guy, Darth Vader. Here's the Darth Vader monster truck. That's pretty cool. The fourth car in the case is the Motosaurus. Obviously a dinosaur, like Stegosaurus, but Motosaurus. Pretty cool. The next car in the case is called Will Trash It All. This is a new one. I don't remember this particular one. It's a garbage truck, but a monster truck. Yellow and blue tampos on it. The next car in the case has actually been a pretty popular case so far. It's called the Race Ace. Got the blue tampos on it. Very cool. And then the last 2 cars in the case This one's cool. This is the Mercedes-Benz Unimog monster truck. This one's got brown tires on it. Get a good view of the Unimog. And then the last car in the case is called the El Superfasto. Bang on the hood. So there you guys have it. There's the F case of monster trucks. Thank you again for joining us. This is wheelcollectors.com. Going to give you a top-down view. Come and check out a couple videos, then head to our website, wheelcollectors.com. Thanks, everybody. Hope you're having a great week.